Welcome to another unboxing and review from Alan's Trains. We buy trains, all sorts of models. We buy toys, rails with compliments, wanted, cash or exchange. Well, what have we got here? We have got Sonic models, OO gauge, scale 176, and we have got, this is the product code S4101-04A, OO GCR stroke LNER A5. LNER green with white lining. Okay. Sonic models. Thank you for choosing this Sonic Models OO gauge scale GCR LNER A5 462 tank locomotive. Please follow the instructions to ensure that it gives many hours of trouble-free operation. This model requires running in for approximately 1 hour, unloaded at medium speed in each direction. This will free up all the moving parts and allow the gears to mesh. Okay, so this is the information. Looks very technical. And looks an impressive model, doesn't it? Oh, rather difficult to get it out. Ah. Let's have another go. Oh yes. Oh! Finally done it. It's all very carefully wrapped, isn't it? Yes. Let's lift it up. Well, I must say this is a very impressive model. I won't bother to do the three-dimensional rotation on the turntable because you can look at a three-dimensional view on the Rails of Sheffield website. Yes, so let's just go straight on to getting it onto the track, shall we? The moment of truth. Will she run? Yes. Some issues. Yes, that rear wheel comes off on the point. Oh well. It gets round it with a lot of planing. Again, we see it comes off on that point. Zoom in on the frog. Didn't do it that time. Doesn't do it every time, but it's a problem. Well, what can we say about this loco? First thing you've got to say about it is it's been finished to a very high standard and it's beautiful, but it has one or two difficulties getting over points. It doesn't always stall on the points, but it's got a very good chance of stalling on any point. So you need to think very carefully about how good your track work is on your layout before you order this loco. I mean, if you've got a very fine scale layout with the track laid to a very high standard, I don't think you'll have any problems. But if you've got like a train set type layout with tight curves and you know, second radius points and crossovers and things, then I don't think this is the loco for you. If we zoom in a bit towards this loco, you'll see that the standard to which it's been finished is very high. And there's beautiful lining on it, and the wheels are all beautiful. The colour's great. You can't really fault it from the point of view of the finish. There are metal handrails, I think, and metal are these metal? I can't tell. Might not be, can't tell. But you'll have to see another reviewer's comments. Well, it does have sprung buffers, as you would expect. There's a great deal of cab detail in there too. I mean, all in all, you can't fault it, except for the running issues. Let's look at the underside of this loco. You can see here that that can move, and it can move that way, but there isn't any, can't move, as the Hornby models usually are on a long sort of lever which can move up and down. And also at the back, there's quite a lot of play in that. That's the wheel that gets derailed, but there's a huge amount of play in it. Look. So that's the cause of the problems, I reckon. Well, that's the end of the review. Thanks for watching.